Understanding the peer review process, a step-by-step approach. The peer review process is a critical component of academic publishing, ensuring that articles meet the standards of quality, accuracy, and relevance. What is peer review? Peer review is an evaluation process where experts in a specific field review a scholarly article before it is published. The goal is to ensure the work's validity, significance, and originality. Step-by-step approach to the peer review process. 1. Submission. Others submit their manuscript to a journal. 2. Initial screening. The journal's editorial team conducts an initial screening to ensure the manuscript fits the journal's scope and meets basic formatting requirements. 3. Assignment to reviewers. If the manuscript passes the initial screening, it is assigned to one or more reviewers who are experts in the relevant field. 4. Review process. Reviewers assess the manuscript for originality, methodology, clarity, and contribution to the field. They provide detailed feedback and recommendations for acceptance, revision, or rejection. 5. Decision. Based on the reviewer's feedback, the editor makes a decision: accept, revise, or reject. Revision and resubmission. If revisions are required, authors modify their manuscript according to the reviewer's comments and resubmit it for further evaluation. 7. Final decision. After resubmission, the manuscript undergoes another round of review. If the revisions are satisfactory, the editor makes a final decision to accept the manuscript for publication. 8. Publication. Once accepted, the manuscript is copy-edited, formatted, and published in the journal. Accepted articles typically appear online first, followed by print publication. Importance of peer review. Peer review ensures the integrity and quality of academic research. It helps validate research findings, improve manuscript quality, prevent the dissemination of flawed or misleading research. Need more insight on the peer review process? Visit articlereview.help and get the help you need.